Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I am going to do a can cooler koozie summery nautical. I don't know how to describe this. So I had gotten a bunch of these can koozies several years ago and from Amazon, and they just fit a standard can or a bottle, and I wanted to give this a nautical look. So I'm going to go ahead and sand this down, and I will clean it with rubbing alcohol. And then I'm going to paint this just using some acrylic paint, because the day that I wanted to paint this outside, it was raining, and well, this was the best option. So I'm going to give it one coat of just the paint. And once that's dry, I will go in with a second coat. But in that second coat, I'm going to add some of the glitter glue. So I'm just putting this into a medicine cup. A little bit of paint, a little bit of crystallite glitter glue, mix that together and apply to the cup. This particular acrylic paint dries fairly quickly, so that is why I added the glitter glue in, so that it'd give me a little bit more working time to be able to put the glitter on. I'm going to use mint chip from Peachy Olive Glitters and put this all over the cup. I'll let this dry. Then I'm going to add 3 coats of epoxy before moving on. I cut out some anchors and ship wheel and just sort of put them randomly, but in a pattern, if that makes sense, so that we can wrap this around the cup. This is going to become a peekaboo, and I'll list this file into the description box below. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the backing from most of it and cut off a little bit, just so that when we go to apply it to the cup, it'll be much easier to remove from this carrier sheet. And I'm just going to roll this cup to make sure that it all lays down exactly where I wanted it to. And before I lay down that last piece, I am going to pull up that side and remove the rest of the backing. Now, before I lay that other side down, I'm going to make sure that I peel back just a little bit of that transfer tape so that nothing lays on top of the transfer tape. Then we're going to smooth this down and remove the transfer tape from all of it. I'm going to take this outside and spray paint it using the Color Shot and this navy blue. And this is what we have. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove all of my vinyl that I had laid down. And this is what we have. I wish the camera would really show how much the Peekaboo really pops, but it's beautiful. And there was one section that needed a little bit of help of removing the paint that had seeped underneath the vinyl, so I cleaned that up. And then I'm just going to give this one final coat of epoxy, and it'll be done. And I am loving the mint with the navy blue.
Done. We're going to show you a content of the cup.
I can't get that out.
This is what the cup is.
I was really struggling to get the foam out of there. My grandson tried to help.
Out. I have to get something to put on.
No.
Can we get these off?
No. How?
Okay, let's find
give me those needle nose pliers.
pliers.
The little tweezer things that...
That was not nice.
Give me those.
To get it out. Yeah. We're gonna get it out with these. It's really hard to get out. And we have...
So this will be finishing cleaning it up and then replacing the lid. Absolutely love how this turned out. I'm obsessed with it. But this will be my last DIY video for a little bit. My husband and I are currently on our 30th wedding anniversary trip to Alaska. So I'll have some highlights from that. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.